Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today, guys, we're going to be opening up a package from Mr. Larry Reese. He's from Boone's Mill, Virginia, about 538 miles from here. And we're going to just check to see what he sent. Thank you so much, Mr. Reese. Appreciate the gifts, buddy. Appreciate the knives. Here we go. The Buck 722. Dang, it's sharp now. Wow. Good note in here. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, we got the fixed blade. How about that? Hey, guys. Let's see. Hello, Knife Doctor. I just want to say that I really enjoy your channel on YouTube. I'm a knife collector, too. I had a few ones here that need some help and some that are good to carry. Thought I would pass them on to you so you could give them another lease on life. Laugh out loud. The pilot's knife. Oh my God. The pilot's knife was given to me by a friend. He said the man he got it from was a Huey gunship pilot. Oh man. In Vietnam. The notches in the handle is how many missions he flew. Take care. We'd love to come down and run the pawn shops and flea markets with you sometime. God bless you, brother. And thank you for your military service, Larry Reese. Oh, my God, Mr. Reese. That is so cool, man. I cannot wait to open this up. We're going to open this up last. Wow. Thank you, sir. It's a privilege and an honor to own this knife. Oh, man. I can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. Larry Reese sent these packages of knives all the way from Boone's Mill, Virginia, about right in here. 538 miles from Ellaville, Georgia. Thank you, Mr. Larry. I appreciate it, buddy. Oh my goodness. Mr. Larry, dude, this is a absolute treasure of a knife right here now. Look at this thing, y'all. Wow. In excellent shape. Wow. It's got your saw, your fisherman. It's got the big blade. Got the big fingernail file. That's a file. I guess it could be used for a fingernail file too. Got the big shears. Dude, that is so nice of you. Victorinox. Wow. Mr. Larry, thank you, buddy. Thank you so much for this. I love Victorinox. I'm shaking, y'all. Oh, another Victorinox. And another no. What is this one? I've never seen one of these before. A Fury? That is so cool, buddy. Thank you for this. Like it's well made. It's China made. Thank you, Mr. Larry. Pretty cool. Oh, look at there. I'm gonna enjoy working on this one. Victorinox. I've got quite a few of these to clean up, and I'll add this to the, and we'll just do a video on me repairing them. This one is a second one with a broken blade. I'll repair the other one too. This is awesome. Whoa. Check that out, y'all. Don't tread on me. And all right. Thank you, sir. I like that knife. Appreciate it. Oh, Imperial. Look at that, y'all. That's a beautiful knife here now. Man, it's a nice knife. Very nice knife. Ain't that cool? This is a Congress. Thank you, Mr. Larry. I appreciate that, buddy. I already know what this is. Gerber. USA, baby. Look at that. Easy out. That's a beautiful knife, dude. Ain't nothing wrong with this knife. Wow. Check that out, y'all. Portland, Oregon. Dude, I love these old Gerbers, and this one's in perfect shape. Thank you so much for this, buddy. I love this knife. Wow. It's sharp as a razor, too. I don't look like it's ever been used. Mr. Reese, thank you so much, buddy. I love that. Uh-oh. Keep your eye on complete food center. Is this a Zippo? Could it be a Zippo? It is a Zippo. Look at there. How about that, y'all? I love Zippos. That is so cool with you, man. Thank you so much. It's a money clip Zippo knife. How about that, guys? Very cool. It's got your main blade and your fingernail file. It's so awesome. Thank you, buddy. Another Gerber. I like this too. Very cool. Very cool knife. Man. Very nice. Appreciate this, Mr. Reese. Uh-oh. Bunches of it. That's a winger right there. Victorinox. And another. No? Another winger. It is a winger with a broken tip. That's an old one here. I've never seen nothing like this before. What is that? Can opener. Ain't it? I have never seen one like this, Mr. Reese. That is so... Huh. I'll have to try that one out. Fingernail file. Main blade, got a broke tip. We'll clean that one up, and it's got the shears too right here. Needs to be oiled. See, it's got the bell on it, so it's probably from the 60s as well. And it's got the flat tip screw. I mean, it's got the Phillips head screwdriver. That is an old winger right there. Check this one out. Victorinox. It's got a rounded if it was meant to be that way. I'm gonna put a point on it. This is the old one here too, guys. By the shape of that claw. You still got the Phillips head. Kind of looks like a lobster claw, so I have to look this one up, but it's pretty old. And the winger. Ain't nothing wrong with that blade. It's beautiful. It's a nice can opener. Flat tip screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a wire stripper. It's got, I think, the shears. Yep. Cleaned up and oiled is all it needs. The spring's bent a little bit. I'll have to see if we can't straighten that out. Very cool. It's a nice knife, man. Open. The star of the show. Ooh, boy, goosebumps, man. Look at it, y'all. Perfect shape. That's his name right there. D. Mills. That is so awesome. This knife was actually in Vietnam, guys. He said the notches, oh man, look at that. He said the notches in the handles, how many missions he flew. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 missions he flew. The date on this thing is 1973. Ontario Knife Company. Ain't this cool? Very cool, man. I love this thing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm honored to have this, buddy. So much. I love that too. See, the one I have is missing that right there. I don't even know if it come with it. See, it's still got that there. They could have just changed the design, you know, because Camillus made this in 1967, and this one here is made by Ontario Knife Company. So they could have changed the design of that. Let's compare them. It's pretty cool, ain't it? Pretty darn cool. Mr. Reese, I don't know what to say, man. I just want to say thank you, and I'm honored so much for it. I'm going to get that fixed right here. You got to pull that out and redo one. I'm going to get that fixed. I know exactly who to send this to get that fixed, too. J.O. Ventures Outdoors. $16 missions. I counted them again off camera to verify, so it is 16. It's hard to count. It looks like his name was can't tell if that's a D.D. Mills, but it's awesome and an honor to have, Mr. Reese. Thank you so much, buddy. Guys, I just cannot believe what just come out of this box. It's amazing. very honored, Mr. Reese, to have this knife here in my collection now. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate you thanking me for my service, but I want to thank Mr. Mills, wherever he's at, who's every family, if they're seeing this, I want to thank him for his service. 16 missions in a Huey. That is awesome. It's probably to evacuate it from over there because Vietnam ended in 1973. Amazing. Amazing. I'm going to send this sheath off to J.O. Ventures Outdoors to get him to fix that. We just got to pop that out and put a new cap in there. I'm sure he can do it. I'll contact him today and see if he can't fix his sheath and send it back. So that is awesome. Thank you again, Mr. Mills. Thank you again, Mr. Reese, for this. I'm honored very much. So, guys, I just want to say thank y'all so much for being awesome. The best subscribers by far. When I started this channel, I'd have never thought that I'd be receiving knives from people. Thank y'all so much for it. I'll cherish each and every one of them forever. Thank y'all so much. And just want to say again, guys, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for stuff like this. I mean, it's just amazing to me that people send knives and gifts. I just want to thank y'all all for doing that. I just want to thank y'all all for watching me. You know, I just thank y'all. I'm very humbled. I really am for this kind of stuff. Thank y'all so much. When I started this channel, I would never thought this. I just wanted to share my passion of knives, and I just want to thank y'all for coming along and sharing it with me, because y'all make it special. Y'all really do. And I just want to say thank y'all all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all who sent me gifts and knives. Just thank y'all so much. But this, guys, this is awesome. I mean, to know this was in Vietnam is just, this one here, we think it could have been in Vietnam, right? But there's a story behind this knife. There's a story behind every knife that we'll never know. But we do know the history, part of the history of this knife here. And that's why I love knives. And this knife's in excellent shape. Excellent shape. So guys, I just want to say thank y'all again. And God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.